Hey guys, Jason RJ Bushcraft. What I want to do today is show you one of our natural fire lighters which we do. It's called Kapok. It's a natural fibre tinder and it takes a spark from a ferrocerium rod really easily. We do it in a few different pack sizes, from this one, which is the 10-gram pack, right the way down to our small foil size packs which fit in the pocket. So I've got some prepared here on top of the stump, and I'm going to show you just how easy this takes a spark from the fire steel. So as you see, it burns very, very quickly and it turns to an ember almost instantly. So as you see, it catches the spark really, really well. It's got similar properties to char cloth. It holds the spark and then you transfer this into your normal tinder bundle.